Ama eni Joshua la bi ene gira na chi no omo mienu so pe ene bae
white semaba eka
eno ayewura akodase ohene yewura yes akodase ne 75th na birthday na
Anglican
akodase enti
but say unim say so far so ohwe Ghana memu no a and ohwe the history of Ghana your political history no I am not too sure but my memory serve me right yenya president from the Greater Accra so my memory serve me right yenya bi
this year na me kan yi bi
yenya bi
word me dey
yenya
be my
yenya bi
Sir John
even including the revolution Rollins because Rollins Rollins from Antevota region.
Sir John, Ghana a history. The letter J is very strong in our presidential elections.
Yes.
I told you this by any penny.
Yes.
They be the letter J,
Joshua.
Well,
the letter J.
We are bad. We are bad man. You are a bad man, man.
I was strong impact our election. San Crawford,
John and Jesus.
You are a bad man, man.
Time struggle. And really, I mean, I say, John, you didn't know call you.
Yeah.
You break you call 3.
Yes.
But we NDC for no ever since. Our candidate started with letter J. President go force by with letter J. You take it second. It's the BM this time no. Whether we like it or not, NDC is still coming with a candidate with the letter J.
Yes.
So we need a united front as MPP. Either than that,
and they are very true. Let's say J.
Okay.
John. Johnson.
Joshua.
No, Johnson Julius Joshua. Say Julius J. Johnson J. And Joshua J.
Now, I'm going to you.
My
Vice President, you say,
Professor Jane, now, Baba is Onya. Let me very honest with you, Onya.
Evans, let me say, whether we like it or not, NDC will bring a candidate with a letter J.
A letter G, yes.
And I'm telling you, Seba, now I want you to test, be a very strong united fronter. It's MPP for Sebi. Enya se mununa amo yeno polling station no. Niyan calling for united front. All hands on deck to fight this election and not form. Akonyana welcome letter J.
You really need unity, seriously.
Etuba say nana do dia yebreo. 3 times.
You really need unity.
It is here 3 times 3 BMA. We need a united front.
Yeah.
All hands on deck. Sabi. Moncroft on a Google office or sabi politically or some
office
yes office on politically omuma fie nyansa enko omutrim ni emfa win election yempamo wa bodam now you soon na benya 100 vote to cry use him to get your vote and get your power.
That is politics.
Oh no ma do so
sir
mo ne anu anso mo to mo de hwe nana eto da akokro bi ma your boy convince nipa by tempa no unim sa so your political gimmick or political gimmick pass all the year and convince for vote or the be ma no but obeko obi ono di na tem wo crowd here no so start so say wo de wakwa wonhunu.
Yes, that's true.
I'm telling you.
Okay,
this time we need a united front.
I see.
Munjai maminche munyansem hunu na. I am a personal position. Me person me coordinator. Mpesa me ye chairman. We ye chairman now to be winning election and yansa nim penny obet me winning election na power nimra. President candidate your friends His Excellency the former president Baumia. His Excellency me ma one advice. Say John maminya abotrenye. Former vice president. What you need is power to become a president. His Excellency. It is obi di wachi. Now on the board primary school election bia step bia won ye de ye. His Excellency, this is a very good advice. Election step bia won ye de ne ko. Why a flag bearer na wi. Obu a wadam for pa no ne nam. ontimi ma wunya power no drop no fanichi na nchen sabi ni odi wachi no so onim no so ye politician a ohun so ontimi ma power ontena nchen wunya be president and yopa bi abetimi di aiden ama no ba o mane koye se wo ye madamfo odi wachi 100 no anya presidency na emfa so ni so se John president kofo obedi premier doctor na ntimi nimpa obedi president no eno ohun se team satam da rocha no ne mpanimfo no hun se na nipa ni bi manafa but say no se wodi obi koye se wan support me wan ni machi na be create tension no lose seat no what he did is say for positions ni nyina ma national regional constituency for no se wo ma phone so ni ma phone munya campaign ma me no set shadow campaign eyi wo na chi led by Dr. Ananinum Alan Kwadwo Chiremantenum papai former your friend say national security kandapanum any penful eti only what they did omo na machire as monitoring committee enti si eduru ba bi ne hu say Evans and national chairman regional chairman consul ana ade we wanya quickly no maye
before you see 2024 no?
Yes quickly no maye and Sankofona
after no use no
Sir John Sankofona no maye mop up no very strong people are no related to President Kofo. Sana was a president, His Excellency the Vice President. On drop bia we feel say we di campaign anima e be ya semano on the toma effects campaign kra o wie no anya power useless. Set omo we kire na omo metimi aye no for omo ye nefa unity ni ye den ebra. No omo nam wachi odu ba bi no ma anya no ma correct any other power anya we ya ma chinti ya pam no ya saki we
ba opoma wonye ni say o hwe the way a wa koma constitute omo policy committees na looking very unity committee no moye no foster unity be because
they be rejected
so far there hasn't been any official way. Official rejection no there hasn't been any official rejection.
Interesting discussion of a PV of our area what was it for a from now yeah Jose mintimin can but of sending
so
say I told you so or say I told you so that JA is the man to watch. The Ebiana John Ajekum. And now say bia J and they say Joshua Labi. Okay, anyway. Inti
me mom dear. Me no Joshua Labi.
Oh, okay.
Instead of John Ajekum, the interview you go John Ajekum on watching very on your man to watch.
Okay, I see. That's fine. But snake simming control say baby I would do Juma. Open say would do Juma be na Juma di and also call say regional office so say main office or whatever and I be so kokoya or say on the banks ni bi akambu mu a akosombo and afi sugar coffee na whenever so e hon nyina no Ghana Commercial Bank branches nyina wura ha omo desk e wo ha omo de hwe obia opese onya service bia no opese renew pensioner certificate membership opese update your personal records opese wo SNIT benefit bi process and na bibia opese ye bia no odi wani ekire hono mo mbehwe de amawo Eco Bank nso ewo Tema Main Ring Road Central Accra na Tamale